Hey, my name is Igor, I'm the co-founder of Lightly. Today I want to show you a bit how you can use LightlyStudio to leverage the product in your computer vision pipeline for working with drone images, like for example for UAV workflows where you want to find other drones or birds in the sky to do obstacle avoidance or some other use cases. So what I did here is I found a bunch of datasets on Kaggle and I put them all into a folder and indexed them with LightlyStudio. As you can see, I can scroll here through the dataset and we can also make the previews a bit bigger so you get a better idea of what the data looks like. I can use LightlyStudio to search for data using semantic search. So this is automatically possible. So I can, for example, sort the data based on blue sky. What I can also do is I can look at the data in an embedding view where I see how the data is clustered semantically. I can even color here the data based on the source. So in this case, I added strings to the metadata to show me where the data is from. So by double clicking here on the sources, I see that I have, for example, a cluster here from a data set of military drones. I have another data set which is very big, the drone detect. And the third one, which is the airport drone threat. The funny thing is that these datasets are very well clustered. So basically it means that they're very distinct visually. So probably we want to combine them and use them to improve our model. So what we can now do with LightlyStudio is, since we have these datasets, we can look at the annotations. Now you might notice that we have 3 different classes because the 3 different datasets have different naming conventions for what a drone is. So LightlyStudio can help with that as well. We can just select all the drone 2 classes and we can reassign them to drone. And just a few seconds later, we have now all the images as drone.